All right. Good morning or afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Hill coming at you here. Just want to give you a quick explanation about what we're doing today. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you guys today, but hopefully this will be helpful to explain what we're doing. If you start off here on our screen in Schoology, we have two videos for you to watch. So where my cursor is right now, Cave Art 101 is a video, and When We First Made Tools is a video for you to watch as well. What I'd like you to do is watch each of these on your Chromebook. If you have headphones with you, you could use those to listen to that quietly. Otherwise, you can just turn the volume down and try to listen to it on your own. If your substitute teacher wants, he or she could put this up on the big screen, but I'll leave that up to them to decide whether they feel comfortable with doing that or not. After watching each video, I'd like you to do the discussion question that goes along with them. Those will be graded. They are 10 points apiece. So please make sure you're giving full and complete answers with full sentences, and to respond to at least one of your fellow students in the discussion as well. During the second half of class, you are going to be working on the Chapter 2 guided notes, and we've already started this together last week. And what I would like you to do is in the reading here, if we open this up. So here are the guided notes right here that we were working with last time. Remember, we did not do the preview section, but we did start working on this section right here. Let me zoom that in here so you guys can see it a little bit better. So we started working on this, answering the questions, circling in here what the key capabilities of these homonyms are. If we go on to the next page, we see we're doing the same thing, but we're doing it with the next group of early humans that they talk about in the section 2 of the book. So here you would mark what time period they lived in by using the different tools up here. So if I click on this, I can use the paint tool to drop in a paint color from here, whatever color I want, into whatever section I think that goes to. Down here, I can circle the different or color different parts of the key capabilities that they're demonstrating in this image right here. And you can do that by either using the shapes tool, or if we go over here to the line tool, you can go to scribble, you can draw different things on here like we've been doing before. What I'd like to do today is to get through as many of these as possible. I think you should be able to get at least through section 4 would be a good goal to have for today. What you're going to do with your small group is to do some popcorn reading within your table group itself from the chapter PDF. So if you go back to your Schoology stuff, you'll see History Alive, the Ancient World, Chapter 2. And you'll be doing some popcorn reading together for each of these sections that you've seen here. We left off last time with section 1. You were talking about Homo habilis, the handyman. So you should be able to read into section 2 today. Talk about Homo erectus, the upright man. Be able to read this, and remember, you're doing this as popcorn reading in your small group. And your goal is to try to get to section 4 by the end of today. Now, if you don't reach section 4, that's fine. We'll pick up from there next time, wherever you leave off, and maybe you could ask the sub, or you guys could put down a marker wherever the majority of the class leaves off at. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, you can try to message me through Schoology, but I don't know how often I'll be able to be on there, but I will try my best to keep on top of that in case you guys have questions or anything like that. Okay, thanks, and I hope you guys have a great day.